If you've opened this video, you've landed on my channel, and I'd like to tell you a little about it. I think you'll like what you see. Every city has a story, but most people only see it from the surface. With over 28 years in construction, I've seen how these structures are built, and what it takes to bring them to life. From iconic landmarks to hidden infrastructure beneath the city. I share real projects, real processes and perspectives that are rarely seen. Opened on May 24, 1883, the Brooklyn Bridge was the first fixed crossing of the East River. A dramatic shift is underway on the Williamsburg waterfront. The former Domino Sugar Refinery, a neighborhood landmark since the 19th century, is being transformed into an 11-acre megaproject. I've traveled across the United States, the Caribbean, Mexico, and Europe, exploring places from Alaska to Norway. One of the journeys featured here is Vigeland Park in Oslo. I've been part of major infrastructure projects, including the construction of the new Governor Mario M. Cuomo Bridge, 3-mile state-of-the-art, twin-span crossing connecting Rockland and Westchester counties. This channel is about exploration engineering, and seeing the world from a different perspective. If this interests you, subscribe and explore with me.